Yo guys, what's going on? It is a very warm but decent Friday afternoon, well Friday night now, sorry. It is 8:30 and we are on our way out to our spot to go do some racing tonight over in Mexico. Kayla's gonna meet me there because I had to stop and pick up Chick-fil-A. Of course, you gotta have Chick-fil-A, especially when I had $150 worth of gift cards. So yeah, we're definitely gonna go eat Chick-fil-A. But we are on our way there now. Get around that traffic. Yeah, we're super excited. We're gonna have some cool content to film tonight. We're gonna try to go riding in some of the cars and see what kind of cool footage we can get of some racing and stuff. So we'll pick y'all guys up once we get there. I'm stoked because there's supposed to be a really good turnout. The weather's been really crappy. It's been raining nonstop, so there hadn't really been a whole lot going on. And now that the weather's finally cleared up and the roads are dry, all the high horsepower stuff, everybody wants to get out. So we're gonna get into some cars and go do some runs. So we'll see y'all guys in a minute.
Grocery getter.
Mine won't run over 60, I don't know why.
Yeah, mine does too.
That's horrible.
Dude, but Dan had his, it was just a fight. It went.
Up a little bit, I'll turn around at one of these lights up here.
Okay. I bet that sound doesn't ever get old.
Nah, it's good, dude. Just make sure, like, if I make a second hit, like, it's gonna hit hard. So hold on to your shit.
All right.
Because normally that's what people like.
go with the V. I gotta get it close to this, for sure.
My IATs can come down pretty damn quick, too. Meth. Gotta love the meth.
Alright guys, we're back in the car after getting a ride in. We're gonna call him Denver for now. He wanted to keep all of his stuff kind of anonymous. He doesn't like having all of his stuff blasted on social media, or especially on like YouTube and stuff like this. So we're gonna keep his actual name hidden. But Denver, that is his 1,000 horsepower C6 Z06. It is cammed, pro charged, still a 6-speed manual. Absolutely insane. That is the fastest car that I've ever been in, and that is just like absolutely just, I don't have words to describe it. Like, the car is just 100% raw, pure American horsepower. That was just, yeah, that was crazy. So huge shout out to him. Actually 2 or 3 weeks ago, we were on our way to one of the events over in Mexico to go do some racing, and he was having some car troubles, and on the way back I decided I was going to follow him back to make sure that he got back all right. And on the way back, his alternator apparently was not charging, so his car ended up dying on the way back home, and we ended up getting stuck on the side of the road from 1 in the morning till about 4. So we were on the side of the road, no gas station, no nothing anywhere, for about 3 hours, 4 hours, and then we had to carry him home. So we ended up getting back around 5 that morning. So I ended up getting to know him pretty well while we were on the side of the road for 4 hours, waiting for a tow truck. So super cool guy, insanely fast car. And I knew that car was fast, but that definitely put it into a whole new perspective. I mean, everybody knows what a fast car is until they get to ride in it, and that was absolutely mind-blowing. That was probably one of the fastest, and just crazy. Like, it's so loud, it's so just wild, but at the same time it's like under control, and just, yeah. So that made the night alone worth it for sure. There's a lot of cops out, so we couldn't really get any racing in other than just a couple test hits, and you know, a couple people tried, but there just was too much going on, so it wasn't worth obviously anybody getting arrested, going to jail, anything like that, just for you know, one run. So there's always another time. We'll be out probably next weekend trying to do the same thing. Hopefully have some more cars out. It was actually a pretty decent turnout. There's a lot of good cars that came out, and then, like I said, hopefully next time there's just not going to be any cops out, so we can actually get some runs in. But yeah, that's probably going to be it for today's video. Again, sorry we didn't get any good racing in, but just stay tuned. We also have something cool coming in for the V around Tuesday or Wednesday, so we should have it on by next weekend as well. So we'll have that, and then we'll be out racing. So we'll catch y'all guys on the next one. Make sure you drop a like, subscribe, and we'll see you later. Peace.